Here's another gentle monster. And this one, I don't know why, pero wala siyang ribbon. Let's see. So I received it like that. Baka they were rushing packing. So, kaya siya walang ribbon. Let's see what's inside. And there you go. So the box says 2020 Gentle Monster. And then this one says My Mars on the hard box. And then when you open it, it has this envelope. I think the envelope contains like oopsie. Pero hirap na walang tripod because I left it at home. Let's see. So the envelope actually contains the care card. So there you go, that's the model. And so to see the serial code, you're gonna have to remove the sticker. This is the authenticity certificate card, not the care card. So this is the care booklet. Ito siya, yung care booklet. And then, yung cloth. Yung cleaning cloth niya. And then, you have, I think this is a thank you card. So, it comes with all the packages. And then, ito na yung, this is the Sunnies itself. And then, there's another, inside is another certificate for size. Is it size or says? Their lens manufacturer. The same ones that's being used for, I think, Sony. So, what you pay for with Gentle Monster actually includes yung perfect vision lens niya, because the lens are optimized so that you can have perfect vision when using them. So this is the Sunnies itself. It's wrapped like the tortoise version. This is mine, don't worry. So okay lang ako, careless. So there it says her. And then it says Gentle Monster over here. And then, nakakahilig ba? Okay. So here goes. I think medyo malabo. But here, somewhere there, is the Says Size logo. And there's another one on the other side. Hindi siya kita masyado eh. But it's just there. But you know what? I had a look at the fake ones. They also have those. And then this is like an authenticity tag. And then there you go. It also says Gentle Monster. And then these are the rivets. There. May fingerprint ka na. So this is one of those. I think Yoon Seri wore two models, the Her 01 and the Her T1. This is the Her T1, and then our best seller is the Her 01. There you go. Thank you. I'm gonna insert a photo of me wearing it. Bye.